family, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to our daily hacking news series. Hit the like button to give a shout out to our team. Now let's get right into the video. So first news is basically related to Apple. So Apple has introduced a rapid security response feature in iOS 16 and macOS Ventura that designed to deploy security fixes without the need for a full operating system version update. So the company said in a statement on Monday that macOS security gets ever stronger with new tools that makes a Mac more resistant to attack, including rapid security response that works in between normal update to easily keep security up to date without a reboot. So this is a good news for the macOS and iOS user. Now next news related to Microsoft. So a recent disclosed vulnerability in Microsoft Office known as Follina has been exploited by a state-sponsored hacker. They did so the target alleged entities from the following region. The regions are Europe and the US. On May 31st, Microsoft released workaround for a zero-day vulnerability that has been discovered recently as known as Follina. Now next news related to a hacking campaign. So a new wave of phishing campaign has been observed spreading a previously documented malware called SVCReady. A threat analyst at HP said in a technical write-up that the malware is notable for the unusual way it is delivered to target PCs using shell code hidden in the properties of Microsoft Office document. Now last news is related to SMS Factory Malware. So there has been a warning from the security expert about malware first identified as SMS Factory, which is an Android-based threat. So through the malware, the victims are subscribed to premium services at unnecessary cost, which is really expensive. So while Avast has not disclosed how many victims have been affected by the attack, so there have been hundreds of attempts to infect Android devices utilizing its product across at least 8 countries protected by Avast security software. So this is a big concern. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, comment on the feedback. You may subscribe because we are bringing hacking on daily basis. So at last, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.